morning to all of you.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
And
Good morning, sir.
Subhra ma'am also good morning. In previous lecture, we have studied about natural number, whole number, integers. These are the topics in previous lecture, and we have explained about natural number, whole number and integers. We know that what are the integers? Integer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, This set of numbers, this type of set of numbers are known as integers. We are learning about these numbers. We are going to study.
आपका वीडियो क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
Video is not coming clear.
क्लियर है. सर क्लियर है.
Okay.
सर कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
Okay.
सर क्लियर है.
जिसको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये टोटल क्लास रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. It will be uploaded. You will watch there.
तो व्हाट्सएप पे अपडेट कर देते हैं.
YouTube में आप देख लेना इसको. WhatsApp में नहीं मिलेगा
सर
क्योंकि
नाम क्या चाहिए यूट्यूब का?
वो बाद में बता देंगे. अभी आप क्लास पर ध्यान दीजिए. टाइम को शॉर्टेज मत कीजिए.
Yes. The limit does not exist.
Okay. These are the integers. Now we are going to study the properties of integers. इस integers का क्या property है, कुछ properties के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. तो its property, first property, closure property. Closure property under addition, closure property under subtraction. क्या होता है closure property under subtraction? We see here. The sum of, or you can write for any two integers, a and b, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. This is known as closure property under addition. You can see, you can take any two integers. इस integers के ग्रुप में से कोई भी दो इंटीजर आप ले लो. Suppose we take -4 and next we take 3 and add them. What will be its value? Certainly its value will be minus 1. Minus 1 will be the integer. Minus 1 is the integer, will be not. Minus 1 is the integer. So, minus 4 is integer, 3 is also integer, sum of two integer is also integer. This is called closure property under addition. Now, closure property under subtraction. What is closure property under subtraction? Difference of any two integer, difference of any two integers is also an integer. Difference of any two integers is also an integer. Difference of two integers. Suppose -4 is the first integer, or 3 is the second integer, and we find their difference. So -4 or this -3, it may be written as -4 - 3. What will be its value? -4 or -3. This will be -7. -4 or -3, it will be -7. So minus 4 is the integer, 3 is the integer, their difference is minus 7. Minus 7 is the also integer. Switch off your mic. Every student, switch off your mic and you watch that you see silently. Don't try to speak because this is recorded and it will be uploaded. So don't worry. So difference of any two integer is also integer. This is known as closure property under subtraction. This is closure property under subtraction. Now, next property is commutative property. What is commutative property? We have written here commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property? When we take any two integers, commutative property, first we give one sentence for this. For any two integers, a and b, we have a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here a and b are any two integers. a और b कोई भी दो इंटीजर है. अब दोनों इंटीजर को ऐड हम करते हैं in any direction, in any order. Here first integer is a, or a is taken at first position. Second integer b, it is taken here in second position. But in the right side, b is taken in first position and a is kept in second position. So their answer is same. Answer will be same. For example, we take in integer 4 and other integer 5. Find the sum of 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 will be 9. If we write 5 at first position and 4 in the second position, their answer is also 9. So we can write 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. What is the difference between 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4? ये दोनों में क्या difference है? सिर्फ ऑर्डर का डिफरेंस है. 4 फर्स्ट पोजीशन and 5 in the second position. Here 5 is in the first position, 4 is in the second position. So if orders are changed and answer does not change, answer is not changing, both answer are the same. 9. This is known as commutative property for addition. This is known as commutative property for addition. This commutative property for addition. This is known as commutative property for addition. This is known as commutative property for addition. Now we will learn commutative property for subtraction. In second case, 2 का second case, for any two integers a and b, commutative property for subtraction. Hold करता है या नहीं? We are going to check it. Take a number 4, other number 5. Find its difference. 4 minus 5. Its value will be minus 1. And in this side, we take 5 in the first position, 4 in the second position. And find its difference. Its answer is 5. Are these two answers same? Certainly not. These two answers are not same. It means a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So commutative property under subtraction does not hold. under subtraction. Under addition it holds, but under subtraction it does not hold. So we will write here commutative property under subtraction does not hold. Commutative property under subtraction does not hold. We are looking here the example. Next is associative property. Associative property. What is associative property? In this associative property, we take three integers, and in these three integers, we change the grouping. For A, B, C. A, B, C कोई तीन इंटीजर है, belongs to integer. Suppose this I for integer. A, B, C belongs to I. Then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B और plus C. ये तीनों को ऐड करना. We have to add this A, B, C. But in first case, we take B and C in one group, and in second case, A and B are taken in first group. For example, we take the integers 2, 3, and 4. Take three integers. Now add these three integers, 2 plus 3 plus 4. First we take 2 and 3 in first group, and in second case we take 3 and 4 in another group. Group has been changed. Grouping has been changed. Grouping, that means association. So 2 और 3 को एक साथ रख करके ऐड करेंगे और उसके बाद 4 ऐड करेंगे. दूसरे सिचुएशन में 3 और 4 को एक साथ पहले ऐड करेंगे, उसके बाद 2 को ऐड करेंगे. क्या आंसर चेंज करता है? देखते हैं. 2 plus 3 5 plus 4, its answer is 9. In this case 3 plus 4 7, and its answer is 9. So answer does not same. Yes, very good. So if grouping are changed, answer does not change. This is known as associative property under subtraction. This is known as associative property under subtraction, under addition. Okay. So associative property under subtraction does not hold. अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन में होल्ड ये नहीं करेगा. अंडर एडिशन में सिर्फ होल्ड करेगा. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. व्हाट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी? इन दिस ऑल्सो वी टेक थ्री इंटीजर्स. फॉर एनी three integers, for any three integers A, B, C belongs to I. Belongs to I, that means वो integer को belong करता है. A into B plus C, A into B plus C. B या C को प्लस के अंडर में लिया है ब्रैकेट में, और A is multiplied outside. This will be equal to A into B plus A into C. Here A is multiplied by both integers which are inside the bracket. A into B or फिर A into C. A into B or A into C. And plus sign is given because here it is plus sign. If this sign is minus, then here it will be minus, like this. A into B minus C, then this will be A into B minus A into C. So it is known as distributive property over addition, and this is distributive property over subtraction. Okay, this is over addition and this is over subtraction. Over subtraction. Yes. We try to verify it by taking some examples. Suppose we take integers 2, 3, 4. 3 integers. First, 2 into 3 plus 4. Or here, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. 2 is distributed to both 3 and 4. 2 into 3, 2 into 4.
पहले 3 और 4 को प्लस करेंगे फिर 2 को इंटू कर देंगे उससे.
Very good. 2 into 3 plus 4, 7. That is equal to 14. In this side we see 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. That is 8, 6, 14. So answers are same. It means this is known as distributive property over addition. Similarly, distributive property over subtraction, in place of plus sign we will put minus sign like this here, and here also it will be minus. देखते हैं क्या चेंजिंग होता है. 3 minus 4 it will be minus 1, and here
1.
what? Here it will be minus sign, and now this will be minus 2 product, and here it will be minus 2.
So minus 2.
Both answer are same.
तो दोनों का आंसर सेम आना चाहिए.
आना चाहिए और आ भी गया है यहाँ पर. That means
तो इसी को बोलते हैं.
this is known as distributive property over subtraction. Did you understand?
Yes sir.
Now let me check.
Yes sir.
Now let me check. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. What is this property hold in this? Which property hold in this?
Commutative property.
Commutative property. Very good. Commutative property. And this 4 plus 5 plus 6, and in this 4 plus 5 plus 6, in this which property holds in this?
Associative property.
Associative property under addition.
Addition.
Yes. Now suppose we take 3 into 7 plus 2 is equal to 3 into 7 plus 3 into 2. Which property holds in this?
Distributive property under addition.
Yes, distributive property under addition. Very good. Under addition, over addition, you will say over addition. Okay? Now, next question, next topic is product of zero. Product of zero. जीरो के साथ किसी को भी प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो क्या होता है? यस, वी कैन टेक एनी इंटीजर्स, कोई भी इंटीजर्स को ले लो. -5 into 0, व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू? 0.
So
minus is not 0. -5 into 0, that is 0. अब माइनस में 0 लगा दोगे तो क्या अंतर पड़ेगा? इट इज इक्वल टू 0. 0 इज नॉट नेगेटिव. 0 इज neither नेगेटिव नॉर पॉजिटिव. इट इज सिंपल इंटीजर. So minus is not taken in the zero. So we write only simply 0. Minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Minus 6 into 0. What will be its value? 0. Minus 7 into 0. 0. 1000 into 0 equal to, चाहे कितना भी बड़ा नंबर या छोटा नंबर you can take, and if you multiply it by 0, its product will,
माइनस का साइन रहेगा तो जीरो ही होगा।
माइनस का साइन होगा तो 0 ही होगा, प्लस का साइन रहेगा तो 0 ही होगा। माइनस का साइन हो या प्लस का साइन हो, प्रोडक्ट विल बी 0।
तो भी जीरो होगा।
ओके,
जीरो। यस सर।
ये समझ में आ गया जीरो का रोल।
यस सर।
अब आइए जीरो को ऐड करते हैं तो क्या होता है? 5 प्लस 0 क्या 0 होगा?
नो सर, 5 होगा।
5 माइनस 5 प्लस 0
सर माइनस जीरो।
माइनस 5
सर जीरो।
माइनस 5 बेटा, 0 नॉट। माइनस 5 प्लस माइनस 5
बड़ा है क्योंकि
0 को ऐड करेंगे, मतलब कुछ नहीं ऐड करेंगे। माइनस 5 में हम कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करेंगे तो माइनस 5 ही रहेगा,
जिससे ऐड करेंगे वही आएगा।
वही आएगा।
जिससे ऐड करेंगे वही आएगा।
यस, माइनस 10 प्लस 0 माइनस 10।
माइनस 10।
हाँ, 10 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 10। ऐड कर रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐड कर रहे हैं। 7 प्लस 0 0, 9 प्लस 0 0। व्हाट कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ फ्रॉम दिस? हम क्या कंक्लूजन इससे निकालते हैं? इससे कंक्लूजन हम निकालते हैं कि इफ 0 इज एडेड, इफ 0 इज एडेड टू एनी इंटीजर,
7 प्लस 0 आप 7 लिख रहा है ना, सब 0 लिख दिए।
और सॉरी चलो अब देखो इसका कंक्लूजन देखो। इफ 0 इज एडेड टू एनी इंटीजर, इफ 0 इज एडेड टू एनी इंटीजर, देन द रिजल्ट इज द इंटीजर इटसेल्फ।
जीरो।
बट द इंटीजर इज इटसेल्फ, इंटीजर खुद आता है वही इंटीजर। 0 को किसी भी इंटीजर में ऐड करते हैं तो जिस इंटीजर में ऐड करेंगे आंसर वही इंटीजर आएगा। 0 को जिस नंबर में ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर वही नंबर आएगा जिसमें ऐड करते हैं। दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 0। ये 0 की प्रॉपर्टी है कि इफ 0 इज एडेड टू एनी इंटीजर देन द आंसर इज द इंटीजर इटसेल्फ। जिस इंटीजर में ऐड करेंगे आंसर वही इंटीजर। 0 को -5 में ऐड किया तो -5 है, 0 को -10 में ऐड किया -10, 0 को 10 में ऐड किया 10, 0 को 7 में ऐड किया 7। So conclusion, what conclusion you can draw? If 0 is added to any integer, then the answer is the integer itself. This 0 is known as additive identity. Here 0 is known as additive identity. What is additive identity? If anybody asks you what is additive identity, 0 is the additive identity. What is additive identity? बोलो। 0 is the known as additive identity. Okay. Additive means addition. Additive, that means it is for addition. So 0 is known as additive identity. Now इसी तरह का एक और प्रॉपर्टी है मल्टीप्लीकेशन में। -5 into 1 equal to what? -5 into 1 equal -5.
-5.
5 into 1 equal to 5. -6 into 1 equal to -6.
-6.
minus 10 into 1 equal to minus 10. 20, 25 into 1 equal to 25. What conclusion draw from this? What conclusion draw from this? If 1 is multiplied to any integer, then the answer is the integer itself. 1 को किसी भी इंटीजर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर वही इंटीजर आता है जिसमें हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 1 को -5 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -5 आएगा. 1 को 5 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर 5 आएगा. 1 को -6 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -6 आंसर आएगा. So what conclusions you draw? 1 is multiplied to any integer, then the answer is the integer itself. So here what is 1 called? ये 1 को हम क्या कहेंगे? 1 is called multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? 1. 1 is called multiplicative identity. And what is additive identity? 0. 0 is additive identity or 1 is multiplicative identity. You will keep it in your mind. Now, how much time is left? How much time is left? 5 minutes. So,
5 minutes.
okay, one thing more.
5 minutes.
Okay, then remaining lectures will be completed in the next lecture, next class. And now this class is finished because time is not more. If we take the next topic, then it will take more time and it will not finished and time will be running out. That's why. Okay. Thank you very much.